How to check your Oculus email on phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimu from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll show you how you can check your Oculus email on your phone. So make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to check our Oculus email on phone, I personally didn't find the option within the Oculus application no matter where I went. Even if I went to the settings application, or even if I went to the menu icon over here, I went to settings or anywhere else, I went to my personal profile. I looked up through all of it, but I wasn't be able to find the option of trying to go ahead and then actually finding my email address. So in order to find our email address, we have to use our browser. So we'll just go ahead and open up our browser, and then you want to go to secure.oculus.com/my/profile. I'll also make sure to drop a link in the description box. Just go to secure.oculus.com/my/profile and hit the go button over here. Once you go to secure.oculus.com/my/profile, you must be logged into your account, and currently we are under the profile tab. You can see name, username, but to view our email address, just tap on the profile tab over here, and then you have to look for the option of, let's say, Meta account. So at the very top you can see Meta account, so just tap on that one. If your Facebook is linked with your Oculus, then obviously the email address used for your Oculus account is the one using your Facebook account, as you can see over here. But if your, let's say, if you have an independent account, then in that case you'll find the option within the profile tab as well. That's all it takes to check your Oculus email on your phone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.